So today we're working on a 2007 Hyundai Accent and we're going to show you how to replace the spark plugs. So first we need to remove these harness out of the way, and it's just 3 fasteners that hold it down, and then we have 4 10mm bolts that hold the coils down. We just got to take out the 4mm bolts for the coils. And then like the 3 fasteners that hold the harness piece that's on top of the valve cover is also a 10mm, so we need to remove that also. After that, we can go ahead and unplug the 4 coils. Now the coils have this connector with this tab on it. Let me show you a little bit up close. But you can actually see the tab where you can press it. But sometimes, depending on how old the vehicle is, the tabs are a little bit hard. So you can use a little pick to kind of pry it open and then just pull the connector back, which is what I'm doing here with this little pick. After you remove the harness, you can go ahead and move the harness out of the way. Good thing about this car, the harness just completely moves up to the side, and you don't have to deal with it till you put it back. With this vehicle, I did have one bad coil, so I'm going to go ahead and replace that coil also, which right now is in position number 3, which is this one. So we're going to throw away, put it off to the side so I can make sure I don't put it back. So now we're just gonna put the coils right here by the windshield so I can make sure I put them back where they went. And after you remove the coils, now to take off the spark plugs, with a 5/8 spark plug socket you can go ahead and take them off. And then I like to use an impact to take off the spark plugs. They won't get damaged, or you won't damage anything as long as you take them off with the impact. You can try to put them on with the impact, but don't like tighten them. You can like thread them by hand. Make sure that you got a couple threads in there, and then you can do it the rest of it with the impact just till it touches, like till it bottoms out, and then you go back and by hand you tighten them up, which is what I like to do. Now if you want to be technical and you want to know exactly how much torque to put in these spark plugs, it is 14.5 to 21.7 foot-pounds for the spark plug if you want to torque them down. If you've done this more than once on other cars, you pretty much can feel how tight they're gonna go. But if you want to be technical, it's 14.5 foot-pounds. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the coils back on. Like I said, I do have to replace one coil that was bad. I did make a separate video and kind of give you guys a quick tip on how to figure out if we have a bad coil or a bad spark plug, or maybe it could be an injector, something else, not the spark plug or the coil, and I'll pause that at a separate time. But for now, I had already checked it, and we did have one bad coil and went ahead and replaced all the spark plugs while I was here. But the coil part number will be coming right up, and here is the coil right there. And then I like to put the new coil in on the same spot that the original bad coil was, just if the car ever comes back, then I can be like, oh, it still has for example, a misfire or number 3, and I already know that I have one new coil in there, and it's not like somewhere else where I didn't put it on. But after you put the coils back on, you put your 4 10mm bolts that are gonna hold down the coils, and then you have the other 3 10mm bolts that are gonna hold down the harness on the top. And then that is it. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. Do me a favor, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.